Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Select the eyedropper, and make the text the same color as the background. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Select Draw Hidden Faces. Blend Steps, 256. Position, Isometric Top. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the top part of each letter. Go to Edit. Cut. Then go to Edit. Paste in place. Go to Object. Compound Path. Make. Use the Selection tool to select the entire text. Go to Object. Clipping Mask. Make. And that's how you create this text effect.